This is a 1973 Pinzgauer Swiss Army transport vehicle, 4x4. It was made in Graz, Austria, and the Swiss Army bought this vehicle. It only has 11,000 miles on it, so it was not used very much. It has a Steyr 4-cylinder gasoline engine. And the manufacturer is kind of a conglomeration of Steyr, Daimler, and Buick. Notice the canopy there, and that's where the troops sat in the back. This is one heavy-duty vehicle. Something you don't see very often. In fact, I've never seen one until this. There you see the Swiss Army sign. There is definitely a collector base among the people that really are interested in Army and military vehicles generally. Of course, foremost in the United States is the Jeeps and their various iterations of Jeeps, but the collectors branch out from there. Very interesting vehicle, nicely preserved.